Hello everybody and welcome to Freedom 55 Adventure. Thank you all you guys that are following us and supporting and subscribing to our free channel. So today you can see the map from David, Panama to Volcan. And Volcan is a little town set in the highlands of the Chiriqui province in western Panama. And it's shadowed by Panama's only volcano, Volcan Baru. So many expats and real estate agents are calling Volcan the next Boquete. Real estates and rents are still less than in Boquete. In this area, it's cooler, with daytime temperatures never exceeding 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and at night often dipping to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So as you can see, the road is nice and new. This is a real agricultural area. So you'll see a number of different businesses as well along the way. So it's a 30-minute drive off of the Pan American Highway to Volcan, and you'll see everything from plant nurseries, coffee shops, farms, greenhouses, and fondas, which are typically Panamanian cuisine and inexpensive in price. Life in Volcan is laid back, quiet, and it's clean. The fresh air, beautiful scenery, local fruits, and veggie markets all add to a healthy lifestyle, with fresh foods from the surrounding farms and greenhouses to your plate. Many have said that their health has greatly improved after relocating to Panama. And if you're a nature lover, then Volcan Baru National Park and La Amistad Park offer beautiful hiking trails into the protected forests and jungles. For bird watchers, these areas are the best to see the elusive quetzal bird. So here we are driving into Volcan, and I just wanted to mention a little bit more about the hiking. A popular hike to the top of Volcan Baru. On a clear day, you'll be able to see the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans, and for those of you that like fishing, well, you'll get that up here in the lakes. You'll see that when we started out on the drive, it was nice, bright and sunny, and now it's cloudy, and eventually you'll see that it will rain again. So with Panama, there are many different microclimates in different parts of Panama, so you can experience a change of weather within a few kilometers just down the road. If you feel that you need a beach day after moving to Volcan, there is a beach 25 minutes from David. And to check out the beach area, please go to our previous video at Freedom 55 Adventure titled Playa La Barqueta Panama. We also have a video called Crocodile Playa Barqueta Panama, just in case you accidentally get the crocodile video and wonder where the beaches are. So Volcan is developing its main road through town, where most of the main commercial businesses are located. As you can see, the wide road is nice because they have lots of parking, and this commercial area, I should say, goes for 10 long blocks. So Volcan has many basic amenities, from gas stations, restaurants, boutique hotels, Airbnbs. They have a bakery, a hardware store, ice cream shop, grocery stores, and specialty shops. I also wanted to mention that they have some fantastic restaurants as well. So they have a place called Fanny's Terrace Bistro. They also have Hotel Dos Rios Restaurant, La Carbonera, The Wandering Sloth Bar and Grill, and I think it's pronounced Burritos Mexican Grill. Pardon me for my pronunciation. Also along the main drag, you'll see businesses such as a dollar store, Ropa Americana, Superimate, Total Tool Store, a fertilizer store, Milo, which is an agricultural store, and Art Cruise, which has customized wood carving art, and some cell phone shops. So that's just a basic overview of some of the businesses that you'll find. So David has lots of shopping and services, and also a local airport where you can fly to Panama City on a 50-minute flight, and then from Panama City you can take international flights out of Panama. And again, the David airport is about 55 minutes away from Volcan. In 2014, a new hospital was built, and it serves for basic emergency care. Also, 30 minutes away, there is where you can have major operations and advanced care can be sought. Having good medical care close by is a must for every expat who wants to move to Volcan and make it home. In David, 50 minutes away, there are major hospitals, dental specialists, and things like that. So here we have a beautiful aerial view of this area in Volcan, and it's mostly agricultural, so you'll see a lot of farming and greenhouses, and that's why you can get your fresh veggies and fruits at the local farmers market. So here we are back on the road going through Volcan, and as you can see, it's bright and sunny again. There's little fondas along the way that you can stop at. I believe there's an amazing cheese shop along the way as well. I haven't actually popped into it, but I've heard about it, so I have to put that in my Google Maps and go up there and check it out. As you can see, the living fence, they just cut off a chunk of a branch, stick it in the ground, and it starts to grow into a tree, and then they just put barbed wire on the trees, and that's what they do. They're called living fences. This is the dry season. I love the green lushness. It's still green up there in Volcan. And here we are going up in the drone again, getting the lay of the land. It's cool temperatures up there, so if you're renting up there and you go to make it home, you do not need air conditioning. Now we're looking towards the ocean. And there's lots of land for sale all around this area. Also near Volcan, there's an archaeological site, and it's pre-Columbian. And I believe there's a lady that has an animal refuge called Rachel's Ark, and you can go in and spend time with her animals. She's got a sloth there. I heard she has a tiger. And again, a lot of the expats are making this home because Boquete is getting populated and the prices have gone up in rents and real estate. So this is why we've heard from a lot of people, they call it the new Boquete. Heading out back down to David. And here we are going back home, and we've hit the rain. So we've had sunny, cloudy, and rainy all in the afternoon. So you guys, I hope you really enjoy our videos. I hope you find it informative, and if you like, please give us a like and subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and it helps us produce more videos. Thank you so much, and have yourself a good day.